Dear students, welcome to the problem solving session on partial differential equation part 3. In this unit, at first we see two videos how to eliminate arbitrary constants from the given equation to form the PDE. Now in this session, we are going to deal how to eliminate arbitrary functions from the given equation to form the PDE. Let us go into the problem. Form the PDE by eliminating the function f from z is equal to f of x square minus y square. So I want to eliminate this function f. So as usual, just consider the given equation as equation 1 and then we have to differentiate one partially with respect to x. We get dou z by dou x is equal to f dash of x square minus y square, and then this x square minus y square differentiation partially with respect to x is 2x. So dou z by dou x is p is equal to f dash of x square minus y square into 2x. Now let us take this as equation 2. Now I have to differentiate one again partially with respect to y. We get dou z by dou y is equal to f dash of x square minus y square, and differentiating x square minus y square partially with respect to y, we get minus 2y. So I am going to write this as q is equal to f dash of x square minus y square minus 2y. I am going to take this as equation 3. Now let me divide 2 by 3. We get p by q is equal to f dash of x square minus y square into 2x divided by f dash of x square minus y square into minus 2y. Now I can cancel this function and I can cancel 2. So finally what I get, p by q is equal to x by minus y. When you cross multiply, we get py is equal to minus qx. Therefore py plus qx equal to 0. This is my required partial differential equation. We achieve this by eliminating the function f of x square minus y square. Hope you understand, students. Next question. Form the PDE by eliminating the function f. Let us take this as equation 1 and differentiate 1 partially with respect to x. So we get dou z by dou x is equal to 1. Second term does not contain x, so it is going to be 0. Then f of xy differentiation is f dash of xy into xy differentiation partially with respect to x is y. We know that dou z by dou x is p. So p is equal to 1 plus f dash of xy into y. My aim is to eliminate f dash of xy. So I can rewrite this as p minus 1 is equal to f dash of xy into y. And we take this as equation 2. Our next aim is to differentiate one partially with respect to y. So we get dou z by dou y is equal to 0 because first term does not contain any y. Then second term as y, differentiation of y partially with respect to y is 1, and f of x comma y differentiation is f dash of xy, and differentiating xy partially with respect to y, we get x. Therefore q is equal to 1 plus x into f dash of xy. Finally, we rewrite this as q minus 1 is equal to x into f dash of xy. Now, we are going to divide 2 by 3 and we get p minus 1 divided by q minus 1 is equal to f dash of xy into y divided by f dash of xy into x. Now, I can cancel this 2 and then cross multiplying x and y, we get x into p minus 1 is equal to y into q minus 1. So px minus x is equal to qy minus y. Therefore, my final solution is px minus qy is equal to x minus y. I am just rearranging the previous term. Hope you understand, students. You can see the typed version. Next, we are going to revisit example 2 again. Some students don't like finding equation 2 and equation 3 and dividing it or multiplying it. In this case, what we can do, I want to eliminate the function. So I can take all the remaining terms to the other side. So p minus 1 by y is equal to f dash of xy. Here q minus 1 by x is equal to f dash of xy. My aim is to eliminate the function. See, see both my RHS are same. So I can equate the LHS. P minus 1 by Y is equal to Q minus 1 by X. Now cross multiplying we get X into P minus 1 is equal to Y into Q minus 1. So Px minus X is equal to YQ minus Y. Therefore, my final solution is Px minus Yq is equal to X minus Y. This is my required PDE. So either you can divide 2 and 3, you get the answer, or you can just take the function f dash of xy to one side and push all the remaining terms to the other side. By equating, we get the answer. Now let us see one more problem. Take the given question as equation 1. Now differentiating 1 partially with respect to x, we get dou z by dou x is equal to f dash of y by x, and we have to apply u by v rule. We know that differentiation of u by v is v du minus u dv divided by v square. Here x is v and y is u. So x square in the denominator, then you keep x and differentiate y partially with respect to x. It is going to be 0 minus y into partial differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So we get the answer p is equal to f dash of y by x into minus y by x square. My aim is to eliminate the function f. Therefore, px square divided by minus y is equal to f dash of y by x. Now we have to differentiate 1 partially with respect to y, and we have to find the relation like this. When I differentiate 1 partially with respect to y, we get dou z by dou y is equal to f dash of y by x. Now I have to differentiate y by x partially with respect to y. So 1 by x is constant and differentiation of y is 1. Therefore immediately we get q is equal to f dash of y by x divided by x. So we rewrite this as qx is equal to f dash of y by x. Now see, my both right hand side are equal. I am just going to equate the left hand side. Px square divided by minus y is equal to qx. Now cross multiplying this, we get px square is equal to minus qxy, and cancelling this x, we get px equal to minus qy. Therefore my final solution is px plus qy is equal to 0. So we eliminated the function f. You can see the typed version. Now let us do one more problem on this kind. Here the function is f of x square plus y square plus z square. Now differentiate 1 partially with respect to x. We get dou z by dou x is equal to f dash of x square plus y square plus z square, and then x square plus y square plus z square differentiation partially with respect to x is 2x plus 0 plus 2z into dou z by dou x. I can rewrite this as p is equal to f dash of x square plus y square plus z square into 2x plus 2zp. Let me take this as equation 2, and now we have to differentiate 1 partially with respect to y. So we get dou z by dou y is equal to f dash of x square plus y square plus z square into first term is going to be 0 because I am differentiating partially with respect to y. So 0 plus 2y, and differentiation of z square is 2z dou z by dou y. Now we know dou z by dou y is simply q. So q is equal to f dash of x square plus y square plus z square into 2y plus 2zq. Now take this as equation 3. Now I am going to divide 2 by 3 and I will get the PDE. It is not necessary you have to divide 2 with 3. You can even push all the other terms except f dash on both equation, and we can eliminate the function f dash. So equating this, I can cancel f dash. So we get p by q is equal to x plus zp divided by y plus zq. Now cross multiplying, we get p into y plus zq is equal to q into x plus zp. Now simplifying this, we get py plus pqz is equal to qx plus pqz. Now I can cancel this 2. Therefore my final solution is Py is equal to Qx. This is my PDE. Or you can write this as Py minus Qx equal to 0. Both are correct. Next question is Z equal to f of xy divided by z. This problem I am going to give as a practice problem and I will show the answer. So you solve the problem and you can check the answers. What is P and what is Q. Now either you can divide these two equations or you can simplify by pushing all the other terms one side. You get the answer. You can see the answer is going to be Px minus Qy is equal to 0. Hope you understand, students.
Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and share it to your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.